How to sign in to your Fitbit account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in into your Fitbit account. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Fitbit application, and once you're inside here you will be seeing two options. So if you have already existing account in your Fitbit, you can go on with the second option, that is you can just enter your registered email address and password and simply click on sign in to register your account, to log into your account. But if you do not have your any account registered to your Fitbit already, you can go on with the first option, that is sign in with your Google account. So simply click on it and just select any of your Google account that you like to continue with. Simply click on continue as that particular Google account and just continue as a new user, as you are a new user for now, and simply accept the terms and condition and click on continue, and it will ask you to enter your some profile info like height, weight, sex. Simply fill up the details, and now once you do that, simply click on save and continue, and just click on continue once again and simply click on agree and continue. You can turn these options if you like. Just click on save and continue. You can also set up your device, your Fitbit app, with another device like a smartwatch, or you can just use the app with the phone and simply click on continue and just click on continue and I agree. And if it asks you for your premiums, you can simply ignore it, or you can also try it for premium. So just click on this and simply just click on setup now, or you can also do this later. Just click on I agree and get it started, and just allow and follow the on-screen instruction, and just like that you are ready to go and run your official Fitbit application. So that is it guys, that is exactly how you can easily sign in into your Fitbit account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.